Hey everyone, and welcome back to TechTube TV. Today we're diving deep into a fascinating little gadget, the We2USAT P6 Mini Android TV streaming stick. In this comprehensive review, we'll unbox it, explore its design, dive into its features, test its performance across various scenarios, and ultimately help you decide if this compact streamer is the right fit for your entertainment needs. We'll cover these topics in this We2USAT P6 Mini review. And to help you get straight to the topic of interest, you can use the chapter timestamp links. Stay tuned for the full breakdown. Let's get started. This is the product box for We2USAT Android OTT. It has a 2x2 dual-band antenna. It has the product image here and at the side. At the back are information and diagrams. First impressions matter, so let's crack open this box and see what we get. Inside, we find the P6 Mini streaming stick itself. This is the power adapter with a USB port. Next is the USB Type-C charging cable. This is the P6 Mini remote control. And finally, a user manual. Everything you need to get up and running right away. Before we go further, for those who are curious about this ring, I have made a separate video on this smart health ring. Link is on screen, description, or the comments section. The P6 is incredibly discreet, designed to blend seamlessly behind your TV. It's roughly the size of a large USB drive, clad in a full white finish. The extended HDMI connector allows flexibility when connecting at the back of a TV. There is only one button on this device, which is the reset button. At the side is the Ethernet port for wired internet connection. At the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port. And on this side is a USB Type-A port, which is fantastic for connecting peripherals like external storage or a keyboard. The build quality feels solid for a device of this size. This remote control has all the standard buttons. There's dedicated TV power and volume buttons, a mouse cursor button, navigation buttons, voice control button, and dedicated shortcuts for YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. The back of the remote has pairing and programming instructions printed on the surface, and this remote requires 2 AAA batteries. The P6 Mini user manual has basic information, device specifications, and troubleshooting tips. I will be explaining more in detail in this video, so please continue watching. Setting up the P6 Mini is straightforward. Connect the power cable, plug it into your TV's HDMI port, and switch on power. Follow the step-by-step on-screen instructions to pair the remote and other settings. In the disclaimer notice screen, it says that We2USAT does not have any media or streaming apps pre-installed. Read the notice and select Agree if you would like to continue. Setting is now completed. Select OK to proceed. The P6 Mini runs Android 14 tvOS, not to be confused with Google TV. We get the classic Android TV layout, clean, app-driven, and easy to navigate with a remote. The home screen features installed apps and shortcuts. There are 5 Mars apps here, and these apps are not pre-installed on this TV stick. Due to YouTube guidelines, I cannot show you how to install or activate these apps. But I will explore these apps and their functions later in this video. Now let's look at P6 Mini hardware specifications. It is manufactured by We2USAT, and the model is showing correctly as P6 Mini. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. However, it is reporting a lower amount here. Bluetooth 4 Plus is supported in this device. The CPU core architecture is a 4-core ARM Cortex-A35 processor running between 100 to 2004 MHz. It is a 64-bit processor running in 32-bit mode. For graphics, the GPU is an ARM Mali G31. It supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard. The screen resolution is shown as 4K UHD. The installed Android is version 14. Also called Upside Down Cake with API level 34. The Android security patch date is quite recent, and this device is not rooted. The Mali G31 integrated graphics processing unit supports Vulkan API, which is a low-level, low-overhead, cross-platform API and open standard for 3D graphics and computing. For system updates, if there are new updates to the app, you will be prompted to upgrade to get the latest features or fixes. If you use a VPN for privacy or geo-unblocking, this Android TV stick supports major VPN apps. I installed a well-known VPN application, Bitdefender VPN. I personally use Bitdefender VPN, and it has proven to be very reliable. With unlimited VPN traffic, I could stream live TV, movies, and TV shows as much as I want on this TV stick. Bitdefender VPN has a list of servers from all around the world. I have provided a link in the description and comments section in case you would like to check out or get Bitdefender VPN. Now let's talk about apps for the P6 Mini. The Google Play Store for Android TV is your gateway to a world of entertainment. There are a vast selection of apps available, including popular streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and YouTube. We'll also see how well it handles live TV applications and video-on-demand platforms. Let's explore these Mars apps. To follow YouTube guidelines, I did not show you how to install or activate these apps. However, I will be checking these apps as part of the product testing process. The first thing I noticed when starting the Mars Live TV app is how fast the channel loaded, and it was playing without buffering. When you press the OK button on the remote, you'll get a channel selection list. It is currently showing more than 1,700 TV channels available via this app. Pressing the left arrow button reveals the channel groups. These groups make it easier to find channels. And you can bookmark channels which then appear in the favorite group. Pressing the right arrow button shows the single channel EPG and is grouped by dates. Makes it easier to plan what to watch. Pressing the EPG button shows the full electronic program guide with a live preview of the current channel. It is easy to use and navigate to find channel contents. You can also select the channel groups to narrow down the EPG. Pressing the info button and then the down arrow button, you'll get more channel options and settings. Some of the settings are also mapped to the colored keys on the remote. Here you can also record the live TV. Pressing the menu button gives you access to recorded videos and also scheduling functions. Now let's try Mars Super TV. Looks like this app is only available in the US. Having a reliable VPN would be great. I'm going to run Bitdefender VPN and try again. Connected to a USA server via VPN, the Mars Super TV app is now loading without any issue. If you get a prompt to update the app, select Upgrade to get the latest fixes. The Mars Super TV app has 2,000 TV channels, more than the Mars Live TV app. Most of the channels available here are the same. The Mars VOD app is for movies and TV shows. The interface has movie groups on the left and displays thumbnails of movies on the right. All category shows more than 56,000 movies. Well, that's a lot of movies to watch. If you navigate through the categories, the movie listing will update accordingly. With a similar interface, the TV series section has more than 20,000 TV shows. These are also placed in various categories. I tested playing movies or TV series using Wi-Fi connection, and it was smooth and without any issue. Now let's look at the Mars VOD Plus app. It has a similar interface and more than 58,000 movies. And the TV series section has more than 21,000 movies. The last app is the Mars Live TV Backup with more than 1,700 TV channels. As the name says, this is a backup for the main app. We have now covered all the We2USAT Mars streaming apps. What do you think of these apps? Let me know in the comments below. DRM, or digital rights management, is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play full HD or 4K quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney+, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. This Android TV stick is certified for Widevine L1, so you can stream full HD or 4K quality videos from those protected services. If you need Netflix, Disney+, Paramount+, or other video streaming accounts, you can get them at a discounted rate at this website. There are also many other subscriptions at discounted prices. Check out the link in the comment or description to enjoy the discounted prices. Now let's test playing a 4K video and see the playback performance of this Android TV stick. This is a 4K movie trailer from YouTube, and the video playback seems to be good. Fast forwarding works well too. If you like to watch 4K media streaming, the P6 Mini seems to handle it really well. Let's talk about P6 Mini's gaming ability. While not a dedicated gaming console, Android TV supports a variety of casual games. With 64GB storage, there's ample space to install various games. I'm just testing Beach Buggy Racing game and playing it using the remote control. The game graphics were good and playing was responsive. Don't expect console-level graphics, but it might surprise you for quick fun. So final thoughts. Is the We2USAT P6 Mini worth buying? Here's the breakdown. Let's look at the pros. The device is compact and portable. Its small form factor makes it incredibly discreet and easy to take with you. Android tvOS 14 is a more recent version. It is a user-friendly and well-supported operating system with access to a massive app library. 64GB storage capacity is great considering this is a small form factor device. USB Type-A port is a valuable addition for connecting external storage or peripherals. Often priced very competitively, it offers good value for money. With DRM Widevine Level 1 support, the device handles most popular streaming services in HD and 4K. Now let's look at the cons. While performance is adequate, it won't break any speed records for demanding applications or gaming. The We2USAT P6 Mini Android TV Stick is a solid contender for those seeking an affordable, compact, and functional Android TV experience. It's an excellent option for turning any TV into a smart TV, particularly for bedrooms, secondary TVs, or for travelers. If you're looking for a simple, effective streaming solution without breaking the bank, the P6 Mini is definitely worth considering. That's our full detailed review of the We2USAT P6 Mini Android TV streaming stick. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.